In a piece for Vanity Fair, columnist Eric Lutz addressed the degree to which President Donald Trump is in trouble after the ruling by the Supreme Court on his financial records. Trump has spent the better part of 4 years fighting any transparency about his finances and taxes, which may have suspected might reveal illegal activity. He's not going to release his tax returns, said senior advisor Kellyanne Conway in 2017. We litigated this all through the election. People didn't care. Advertisement. In fact, people do care. In 2016 polls showed people wanted to see his tax returns. In 2019 polls showed that Americans still want Trump to turn over his information. The rulings Thursday might not mean the public gets to see those tax returns anytime soon, wrote Lutz. New York prosecutor Cyrus Vance may still be in for a fight, as Trump's lawyers might have an opportunity to quibble with the specifics of the subpoena. Trump attorney Jay Sekulow vowed on Thursday to take the cases against both New York and congressional investigators back to the lower courts, which could delay the documents' release until after the election. That didn't stop Trump from spiraling into a meltdown with a series of all-caps rage tweets that it was all a hoax and witch hunt. So, what's next? While the court cases are the end of another long war demanding transparency from a president who refuses to give it, it's actually just the beginning of the next battle. During her press conference Thursday, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, DCA, said that the ruling gave guidance for how they intend to proceed in the lower courts, and they do intend to keep litigating the case. Advertisement. The decision in Vance's case is a bit more straightforward, in maintaining that the chief executive is neither absolutely immune from state criminal subpoenas seeking his private papers nor entitled to a heightened standard of need. Trump can't categorically block the grand jury, explained Lutz. For a president who seems to have a great deal to hide, the ruling could present a major threat. This is a tremendous victory for our nation's system of justice and its founding principle that no one, not even a president, is above the law, Vance said in a statement in the wake of the ruling. Our investigation, which was delayed for almost a year by this lawsuit, will resume, guided as always by the grand jury's solemn obligation to follow the law and the facts, wherever they may lead. Read the full editorial at Vanity Fair. Advertisement. Enjoy good journalism? Then let us make a small request. The COVID crisis has cut advertising rates in half, and we need your help. Like you, we here at Raw Story believe in the power of progressive journalism. Raw Story readers power David K. Johnston's DC report, which we've expanded to keep watch in Washington. We've exposed billionaire tax evasion and uncovered White House efforts to poison our water. We've revealed financial scams that prey on veterans, and legal efforts to harm workers exploited by abusive bosses. And unlike other news outlets, we've decided to make our original content free, but we need your support to do what we do. Raw Story is independent. Unbinged from corporate overlords, we fight to ensure no one is forgotten. We need your support in this difficult time. Every reader contribution, whatever the amount, makes a tremendous difference. Invest with us. Make a one-time contribution to Raw Story Investigates, or click here to become a subscriber. Click to donate by check. Value Raw Story? Then let us make a small request. The COVID crisis has cut advertising rates in half, and we need your help. Like you, we believe in the power of progressive journalism, and we're investing in investigative reporting as other publications give it the axe. Raw Story readers power David K. Johnston's DC report, which we've expanded to keep watch in Washington. We've exposed billionaire tax evasion and uncovered White House efforts to poison our water. We've revealed financial scams that prey on veterans, and efforts to harm workers exploited by abusive bosses. We need your support to do what we do. Raw Story is independent. You won't find mainstream media bias here. Every reader contribution, whatever the amount, makes a tremendous difference. Invest with us in the future. Make a one-time contribution to Raw Story Investigates, or click here to become a subscriber. Thank you. Report typos and corrections to email protected. Let's block ads.
Show your love for him. Click the link in description. Thanks for watching.